What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you a drag race between a Porsche Taycan Turbo S and a Porsche 911 Turbo S. The cars are really similar, as you can see on the screen here, although they're very different. Obviously one's an EV, one's internal combustion. Let's see how they match up on a quarter-mile drag race. I've gone ahead and set up the drag race. The 911's on the top and the Taycan's on the bottom. This will be a street surface, so it's not prepped or anything. And yeah, we can see pretty similar results. The 911 gets off the line a little faster, and then it just keeps pulling. And we get a 10.1 at 137 for the 911 and 10.4 at 130, 131 for the Taycan. So if you're wondering what the heck you just saw, this is a drag race simulator. It takes into account a lot of things like power curves, rolling resistance, air resistance, weight of the car, gearing, all that kind of stuff. If you want to check it out yourself, you can go to motormatchup.com and make your own races, modify cars, see how they perform. I'm now going to show you a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, and let's see how these cars do. So here's the rolling race. It's from 50 miles an hour. It'll be a half mile long. On top's the 911, same as before. And yeah, it's kind of what we expected. The 911 pulls a lot harder at higher speeds. Once the Taycan gets into its second gear, it just doesn't have enough torque. And it just weighs too much also, so it can't pull at those higher speeds quite as well. So yeah, we see pretty drastic 60 to 130 and 100 to 150 time differences. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll be coming at you with pretty much daily videos, so let me know what sort of matchups you want to see. Comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.